Ah, the new year.
Well done.
I have a feeling you're probably going to edit that part out anyway.
I might actually start here.
I know, but I mean, wait. Alright, we have to get in that lane. There's no one coming, so I can speak wide. Excellent. Perfect. Oh, good. You can go forward, sir. Oh, good. I'm not going to be the jackass behind us that blocked everyone.
Yeah. If you feel comfortable, you can.
I'm getting there.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We are going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you're liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
I'll probably make us go through. We'll see.
It's been pretty smooth. You just have to usually be on the accelerator through it.
Yeah, which is fine if that's all it is. But if it starts throwing turn signals and everything.
I mean, it usually does throw a couple turn signals, but...
I got it.
Okay.
Just let me do it.
But you whatever you feel comfortable with.
That's
Sorry.
the right answer, sir.
I'm just here to make a video look pretty.
Correct. The day you can figure out how to pilot it yourself.
Amen.
I don't have to be a part of this.
Don't make me a part of this.
I'm legally required to love you. All right, slow it, slow, yep, okay, excellent, 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 no one go, excellent, no one, oops, sorry, that was my bad. Driver error.
It didn't have it, though.
It did, that's why I said driver error. I just happened to give too much resistance on the steering wheel.
I'm getting there. You can go a little faster if you want to on this road.
I'm going the speed limit.
No, I understand, but if you needed to go a little bit faster, I have.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
There you go.
42. The answer to everything.
We might actually get past today.
Whatever.
Which is alright.
Whatever. Stupid New Year's.
The holidays.
Well, it's not the holidays, it's January. Ah, President's Day or whatever.
That's why I said, the holidays.
Everyone's tired from the holidays.
Everyone's cranky.
A little bit.
Just get out and get some fresh sun, people. Get out and...
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. It's good for y'all.
Everyone likes the vitamin D. Oh, I have to be honest, as your pilot, that is my least favorite area to drive through.
Oh, the starting point of over at where Target's at? Yeah.
It's not always bad, but on days like today where you're just like, jeez.
It's busy and everyone's out shopping. Yeah, I get it.
I don't even like driving that without filming. Like, I am not a big city gal.
Well, our viewers appreciate your sacrifice.
Yeah. I remember when you and I met and you were like, oh, I might have to live in LA. And I was like, well, this is the end of that relationship. Lasted a whole first date. Because your partner's like, oh, hell no. All right. Give it a second to reroute, because I did it slightly early. It should be good here. Nope. Yep, there we go.
This is still the coolest road.
The haunted road?
Yeah, this is still the coolest road.
I was making sure it was taking us the right way. Oh, that couple was fighting in their car.
Oh. We weren't fighting. Or I
Not
don't
today.
think- yeah.
Not today, but you see that happen and you're like, ah, the pain.
I've been there.
We've all been there. Got this, okay?
Yep.
I just like that there's universal moments that every person looks at someone else going through it and going, mm-hmm.
Been there.
It's pretty in the sunset, but this hill doesn't get much sun in the afternoon,
No,
which means that this will be very icy in the winter
Yep.
when we get bad weather.
Oh yeah.
I'll have to take that in consideration for future winter drives.
Good. Oh, good call. That you'll want to make sure you do it in the afternoon sun.
Which this doesn't really get the afternoon sun.
But you won't want to. What I'm saying is, like,
Yeah.
you won't want to come out here first thing in the morning.
Nope.
Yeah.
Left to go right, right to go left. Who knows?
And
I was literally through both turn signals when it was just going straight. Now the question is, if you were a cop, would you pull me over for throwing so many?
I don't know. Like, I feel that way sometimes as the driver. Like, it feels like driving like a drunk driver.
Well, I don't even know if it's a drunk driver. It drives more of like out of towner that they don't know where I'm going.
Yeah, and that's a fair criticism as well.
Because not anything else is like, as long as like you're just throwing a turn signal, but you're not slamming on the brakes and then taking off and like.
Right, but it's a combination of all
all
the
of it,
other
yeah.
things that make me wonder of, like, I don't know.
Yeah. Little rough turn.
Yeah, no kidding.
Some things it's doing well and some
Other things it's doing herky jerky. Would you agree? Herky jerky? Would you say?
Yeah. Sorry, the sun's in my eyes.
My eyes.
I will say I had a conversation with my friend in the car yesterday. She was like, do you notice it getting better? I said, well, yeah. I said, we're OG testers, so we've...
Been through the program for a couple of years.
Yeah. I said, it's gotten nothing but better.
I suppose if you've only seen it for like 6 months, though, you
Yeah.
kind of can't compare it.
There's no one coming, so I am totally fine with us creeping out and then moving. Slowest go ever. Speed okay?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, at least it's not windy today.
Yeah, it's just nice. I'm really actually kind of digging the new heads-up display on this update for the
Oh, yeah.
for Wilson. You just kind of get used to it, but it's really nice. It's handy. It kind of feels like a big Inspire. Like the Inspire has a forward-facing camera.
I initiated the lane change because I was like, I'm not gonna wait till it gets all the way up here to try and lane change it.
Fair enough.
And
Should make this turn now, here now.
and I'm gonna.
Making it very lazy, so we're gonna manually take over.
Plus, I don't want it to roll out in the middle,
And get our butts actually into the lane position.
so I don't get clipped.
Yeah, no kidding. Like we did last time on 11.4, whatever the 11.48 build was. And turn.
So I did that turn because it just, I was like, yeah.
You didn't feel comfortable with it, which makes sense.
Well, cranky. Oh my god, stop throwing turn signals. Anyone at Tesla seeing this with the unnecessary turn signals? I think the turn signals make it a little bit unsure as a driver because you're like, is it gonna try and turn left? Is it gonna try and dodge right? Like,
Right.
because you don't know what it's doing. So, so then it does shit like that. Like, all right, end us out.
Well, everyone, thank you for joining us on this drive. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another aerial drive, full perspective, aerial full self-driving perspective video of, well, that doesn't even make it,
14.9.
of 11, well,
14.9, 11.9. Who the fuck knows?
this has been another
Comment.
Tesla FSD 11.4.9 full self-driving aerial perspective video. If you are liking this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!